Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back again with the Samsung 4-door Flex fridge. Again, thanks for your comments and all of the questions and things like that came in. This one is a problem that came in for myself actually, because my kids somehow set my temperatures to Celsius and I keep panicking when I see -18 on my freezer, thinking that I'm over freezing my food items. So I just want to quickly show you how to change it back from Celsius back to Fahrenheit, and then also how you can actually cycle through and increase or decrease the temperature as well. So that's what that's about. This is for the Samsung 4-door Flex. I'm showing you on that, but I'm certain other Samsungs have similar controls. Okay, so as you can see, my freezer says -18 degrees Celsius, and my fridge is 2 degrees Celsius. So really what I want to do is just show you quickly how you can change that back to Fahrenheit. And it's pretty easy. This door alarm, you can see it's got a C and an F on it. So you got to hold it for 3 seconds. And you can see it goes back to Fahrenheit. So it seems really simple. And I also want to quickly just show you how you can increase or decrease the temperature of your freezer or of your fridge. So the easiest way to do it, you don't want to hold down, because if you hold this down, it's power freeze for 3 seconds. But if you want to increase or decrease your freezer, you want to touch it and you'll hear it beep. And then it starts cycling through. So you can see one touch cycles through. It goes all the way up here to -8, and then it goes to 5, and it cycles back through around. So I always leave mine at 0. So that's how you do it on the freezer. The same thing is really true on the fridge. You can cycle through, and you can see what it cycles through at, 40 degrees. We usually leave ours at 36. There you go. So that's how you do it. If you hold it down, you're going to do a power cool on the fridge. If you hold this one down, you're going to do a power freeze on the freezer. So you don't want to hold it down. You got to touch it, release, touch it, release. So the first time you do it, you have to make sure you kind of push pretty, not pretty hard, but enough to put pressure on it to get it to work. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you change your Samsung 4-door Flex. This is for the 4-door Flex fridge from Celsius to Fahrenheit and back again. So that's how you can do that, as well as how you increase and decrease both the freezer and the fridge temperature. So that's how you do those things with the Samsung 4-door Flex. The other Samsung models likely have something very similar. I mean, they might have a little bit different of controls or whatever, but it's very similar. So give it a try. It seems pretty simple, but at the end of the day, there's a lot of like built-in extra features, like hold it down and it does a power freeze, but it also does the freezer temperature as well. So there's kind of multifunctional buttons on this. That's it. Subscribe to our channel. I'll put a link in the description below to all of our Samsung 4-door Flex videos, so check those out if you have any other questions. Send us your comments and questions. We'll see you next time. Thanks.